Can you imagine a world where artificial intelligence is not just a buzzword, but an integral part of our daily lives? A world where AI is not just about robots and machines, but about enhancing human capabilities and creating new possibilities? Welcome to the future. Welcome to Powermind AI. Powermind AI serves as your portal into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. We are your go-to source for the latest AI news, comprehensive how-to guides and insightful analyses of AI developments. Our mission? To unlock the potential of AI technologies, enhancing productivity, creativity, and innovation for individuals and organizations alike. Stay ahead of the curve with our curated news updates. We bring you the latest on groundbreaking AI developments, industry trends, and the transformative impact of AI across various sectors. From healthcare to finance, from entertainment to education, AI is reshaping our world, and we make sure you don't miss a beat. But we're not just about news. We also offer expert-led tutorials to help you master the latest AI tools. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced user, Powermind AI has got you covered. Our how-to videos break down complex concepts into easy-to-understand steps, making AI accessible to everyone. And for those looking to boost their efficiency, we provide insights into the best AI-powered productivity tools. Discover how AI can streamline your workflow and boost your output. From AI-powered project management tools to smart virtual assistants, we review and recommend the best out there. But what truly sets Powermind AI apart is our vibrant community of AI enthusiasts. Here you can share ideas, solve challenges, and collaborate on exciting projects. It's a space for learning, growing, and innovating together. Our team consists of AI specialists who are deeply embedded in the AI community. We make complex AI concepts understandable and applicable for all skill levels. With Powermind AI, you're not just staying informed, you're staying on the cutting edge of AI research and development. So, how can you get involved? It's simple. Subscribe to our newsletter, follow us on social media, and join the Powermind AI revolution today. Whether you're looking to stay informed, improve your skills, or connect with like-minded individuals, Powermind AI is your gateway to the future of artificial intelligence. In conclusion, Powermind AI is more than just a news outlet or tutorial platform. We're a community dedicated to exploring the possibilities of artificial intelligence. Join us on this exciting journey to harness the power of AI and transform the way we live and work. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. Welcome to Powermind AI.